So the other day when I finished up, I really didn't know what to do in this lower corner, but I was tired and it was time to call it a day anyway. So this morning I came out and right away I could see what I wanted to do. I wanted to kind of mimic the top right and the lower left. The other thing we're doing different here, you notice how the frame goes around the top and then it comes down and then it ends. So it doesn't have it going across the bottom. And on this side, the design comes through the frame. So that's the first time I've ever done that effect that I remember. I think it's, the other thing is I've never done one this big. So this is about 3 feet by 2.5, or maybe it's even 4 feet by 3 feet. It's pretty big. It's a good size. It's going to weigh it quite a bit. I'm going to have to definitely have it hung really good. So it's, I love it. I think it's going to look great on the wall. It's going to go near the foosball table or in the same bunk basement, so it's not going to be that close to it, but it's going to give you that effect because a lot of the elements in here are in that foosball table. So I'm going to start oiling it now, and then we will probably call it a day for this project to maybe go and work on the stairs in the bungalow basement because they need some help. I think this turned out really nice. It was a lot of work. There's many hours into this. Much time cutting. A lot of these I had cut last year. I was thinking about doing some type of big wall art, and I had cut them, piled them up. So they've been in the wood shop for over a year. And then I decided this was the time to do it. Okay, let's get oiling. You can see lots of different types of wood. We got some cherry here, some white oak, some red oak, more red oak. We have some white ash, and we have some black walnut that came out of one of the Victorian houses. It was a threshold, so this is a very old piece of wood, but it'll look a lot like this black walnut. And we have some, I would say maybe some soft maple. Not even really sure on that one. Pretty sure we have some beech right here, and we have some cucumber. More white oak. Yeah, we have a piece of beautiful granite. Maybe a, I don't know, delicatus cream maybe? Really beautiful, really nice. I'm getting some glare there. Oh yeah, right here. A little sparkly there. Really beautiful. It's amazing. Just amazing. So this is, there's silicone holding this in, and then I'm going to run a bead along here after the oil dries. Or I could do it right now, but I really want to oil, so I'm going to oil it first. This should not come out, even if I did not put another bead around there, but it's not going to hurt to have another bead of silicone around there. And it'll be the clear. It'll be white and go clear. Okay, just beautiful. Quite a bit of red oak in here. And red oak varies quite a bit. We have some mineral stain right here. Gives us some nice character. Here we have a knot. It looked nicer on the other side, but the way I cut the board and everything, I couldn't show that side. So we'll have to appreciate this side of the board. And you can see the difference. This is like a darker piece of red oak. Here we have, I would say some white oak. Or no, this is butternut. This is butternut. And butternut often will get bugs in it, in the tree. But they're not in the lumber. At least I've never seen them all of a sudden be active. So I feel safe at leaving that piece in there. If there turned out to be some sawdust coming out of this, then we'd have to, I I've sprayed it with bug spray before to kill them, but I don't think that's going to happen in this case. It's not ideal. You always want to get the bug holes off. You don't want to use that part of the wood, but in this case I feel comfortable since it's butternut. If that was a piece of white ash, no, definitely not, because white ash is very vulnerable to the bugs, and for some reason they can stay in it and then become active or continue, and you just don't know it. So you have to be really careful with the white ash. Now the sad thing is the white ash are dying off, so we aren't going to be seeing that for too many more years, which is really a shame in this area. Okay, let's get oiling. That's when it really comes to life.